Hello friend, today we are going to see how to make website layout with Bootstrap. First of all, we use three classes of Bootstrap to make a website layout. First we use container. It is a wrapper class. Wrapper, for example, if our website is look like this, here we have heading or logo, and here we have nav bar, and after that we have row 1, row 2 and row 3, and after that at the end we have footer. Okay, now the main class, which is wrapper of all of this layout, or you can say alignment of these 1 2 3 4 5 6 element of our website, is called container. Or it is container is nothing but it is a wrapper class of all element of the web page. Okay, now let's discuss about what is layout. Here you can see, which I draw already. Here we have heading, and after that you can see we have nav1, nav2, nav3 and nav4, and here you can see we have column 1 from here to here and column 2, and in this column we have row 1, row 2, row 3, and here we have row 1, row 2, row 3 and row 4, and at the end we have footer, which is again a row wise, and all of this element is wrapped in our container. This is the way a layout look like. Okay, now after that we see what is container class and how many container class we have in Bootstrap. Here we have two container class. First is container and second is container fluid. If we want 100% alignment of our website in any device, then we use container fluid. It is like look like liquid. If you fill in a jar, is shaped like a jar. Okay, this is why it is name is fluid. Fluid means liquid. It take the container or the device width. Okay, now container width is about, if you are using a laptop, then its width is 1140 pixel, and it adjusts according to the device that we use. Now we'll see the breakpoint of a container class, because if you are using container fluid, is by default it is 100%, and we don't need to take care of it. But if we use container class, then we have to know about this thing, the breakpoint of according to the device. Okay, if our PC is extra large, it means 1200 pixel, then the container width is 1140 pixel. It means it has some margin from top, left, right and bottom. Okay, now if our device is large and its width is approximately 992 or more than that and less than this, okay, then our container width is 960, and if we are using medium size, then its width is 720 pixel. If it is small, then it is 540 pixel. It is a tablet. Okay, tablet, it is also maybe a tablet. It is a small tablet or it is a medium size tablet. Okay, now after that we have extra small. It means Android phone or iOS phone. If it is less than this, then it is auto means 100% width. Okay, now we'll see how we can practically implement this. Okay, hello friend, now we are going to see how we can practically implement column class of Bootstrap and row class of Bootstrap. For that we have to create a document, this is the template or basic template, you can say. Here we link our Bootstrap of CSS with the help of link tag, and after that we provide script tag and provide the script link of JavaScript link of Bootstrap. If we want our own style, some styling, then we have to provide another link tag, but we make sure you have to provide after the Bootstrap link. If you provide before that, then it will not appear in your web page. Okay, so that we have to use link, and after that we provide style dot css. Now we have to create this file. I just click on plus and create style dot css. Now hit enter, and after that we have to just create, I just minimize this. Okay, now we have to create a div with class container, and after that we provide welcome to pro learner, and after that let's save. Now you can see it look like it has some margin, but we cannot distinguish. For that we have to just provide in our own style, provide container class container, and here we have to provide dot. Okay, now after that we have to provide curly bracket, and here we provide border and 8 pixel solid black. Now let's save. Here you can see we have this margin from left and this margin from right. When I double click and go to the inspect, I just click on container, you can see here we have, if you want to set device and you want to check according to device, just click here. If I unclick, now it is normal, and you can see our device width is larger, extra large. That's why it is containing this width 1320 pixel. Okay, when I click here and adjust according to the device, if it is now 992 pixel, it is large. When I just decrease it a little bit, now it is medium. When I little bit decrease more, you can see now it is small, which is 572 pixel. When I just decrease or set, now it is extra small, and the width is auto. It means it is 100%. You can clearly see. Okay, when I just decrease, now it does not affect. Okay, when I increase, now you can see it's set according to the device width. Okay, now after that we have container fluid. For that we have to just provide hyphen fluid, and we have to provide here also fluid. Now let's save. Now you can see whether the device is extra large or large, it is 100%. You can clearly see it is 100%. It take the 100% width of the available device. Okay, now after that we provide here, I just undo here, and here also I just undo. Now after that we erase this, and inside this container we provide div. Here we provide class row, and here provide row 1, and I just paste this in 3 times. Row 2, row 3. You can see now when I save, you can see we have this row 1, row 2 and row 3, but we cannot distinguish. We have to provide here, after this we provide dot row, and here we provide border 5 pixel solid red. Okay, now let's save. Now you can see, easily see, this row is having this width and it is set according to the container. When I decrease the container, You can see row 1, row 2 and row 3 is aligned according to the container. When I just decrease a little bit, when it is extra small, now it is 100% width. You can clearly see. Okay, now if you want to change this container with container fluid, now then it is 100% in all case fluid. Here also we provide fluid. Now let's save. You can see now it is 100% in all cases. This is how you can provide container class and row class in your website. In our next video, we will see how we can provide column class in our website. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and bye bye.